Hello and welcome back to the channel. We still have a way to go, and in this episode we escape the bad weather to little Switzerland, hike to a waterfall and find the top of the world. It's apple. Yeah, it's apple, man. It's my favorite. Good morning. The sun is up already. But the mist up here is so thick. You can see about 20 meters, 30 meters, and then it's just white out beyond there. We had the company of 2 horses last night, and I think they chose to hang out with us. And it's just a beautiful location. I can see some blue on the other side, so mist is starting to burn off in the sun. Busy making coffee now, waking up, and we're going to get going again down the Zuurberg pass again. Here's coffee brewing. Yesterday was just a total luck. When we came down the pass, we were at the intersection, a 4-way intersection. We were googling something, and a bakkie pulls up, and the farmer asked, "Can I help you?" And we said, "Yeah, we're looking for a place to camp." And then he went on to tell us that he's got plans to develop this amazing house up in the mountains. So we said, "Oh, is it that one up in the mountains?" He says, "Yeah, exactly that one." So I said, "Well, would you care if we test drove it?" And he just, in that moment, handed us over the gate keys and said, the locks might be rusty, let's see if you can get in. So here we are, we managed to get in. He then introduced himself as Peter. So we are very thankful. He's very gracious, generous and trustworthy. So here we are. We had a beautiful evening. We still got a glimpse of the beautiful view. It's a grand view from up here. Again, we were fortunate that our wild camping attempt yielded another gem on the Zuurberg Mountains. There is a cold weather system rolling in, and we decided to head further inland. Hogsback, tucked high up in the lofty Amatola mountains, is within a day's drive from our location. As the sun emerges from the mist, we pack up camp and bid farewell to our 4-legged friends.
And voila, We take the roads less travelled, passing through towns from a bygone era, where every street and building holds the echoes of a distant past.
And now we are on our way to Hogsback. We've come through the little towns of Somerset East. What's the next one? Bedford.
Bedford, and then Alice.
No,
Alice
Beaufort.
is still coming up.
Fort Beaufort. And our next little town will be Alice. And we'll be making our way up into the Hogsback area of a mountain pass.
The Amatola Mountains.
The Amatola.
From the town of Alice, the road ascends up the windy Hogsback Pass into the Amatola Mountains, where, according to legend, the elves live. Hogsback's origins date back to the late 19th century when British settlers arrived, naming it after the distinctive ridges resembling a hogsback. Over the years, Hogsback has evolved into a haven for artists, nature lovers and tourists. Today, it boasts enchanting forests, cascading waterfalls and a rich cultural heritage blending indigenous Xhosa traditions with colonial history. Hogsback remains a serene retreat, inviting all to explore its timeless charm and tranquil landscapes.
We're on foot today in Hogsback. The weather is nice. We decided to stay and we're taking a walk. We're exploring a little bit. So the idea is to find a waterfall. There are plenty here, and the property we're on is close to one, so let's go find it. Taking you along on this one. Yeah, hopefully it's beautiful. It's very lush and green here, and the weather is nice. It's a nice cool air but blue sky. So I don't know Hogsback with blue sky, so it seems like quite a luxury. But yeah, like in the mountains, lots of trees, very green, lots of water. It's a beautiful place. got there?
Oh, delicious coffee. You're going to be sad if you don't do it. So if you had to give the chickens over here personality, do the voiceovers when we hear one again.
Well, they're talking across the valley here. They're
Yeah.
greeting. It's like early morning. They're just doing their thing, and it's like, "Ozit, my bro!" And the other one goes, "No, really, Ozit!" And they're just carrying on. Then you can hear the one. There's the other one. "Oh, Ozit!"
What you doing there?
Oh, you know, domestic bliss and all. Gotta get the show on the road.
Yeah.
Or the
What's
road.
the plan?
Hey?
What's the plan for today?
We're gonna head into the storm.
No. We're going for a hike today.
Yeah, our short-term plan is going for we're gonna try and find that waterfall after all. We promised to find a waterfall. Yesterday we didn't find it.
You're a bit tired.
No, we did all other kinds of stuff. We got completely distracted, but we got some other cool stuff to show you. We didn't just lie idly under the shady tree and do nothing.
That would have been nice as well.
Yeah, so we did other stuff. You'll see that in the video. And today we're going to try and find the waterfall. Oh, and remember, if you like these videos, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you feel like leaving a comment and feeling generous, leave a comment. We'd like to connect with you guys.
Awesome.
We spend 3 peaceful nights in Hogsback. It's laid back and quaint, with the distant sound of woodcutters deep in the forest and cockerels breaking the morning silence. It has a real frontier feel. We are sure we saw some elves, but you will have to come see for yourself. On our way out, we attempt a visit to the Madonna and Child Waterfall. As we descend deep into the heart of the lush forest, we can hear the gushing water in the distance. Ferns and moss-covered rocks create a green tapestry underfoot. At the bottom, we look up and behold the stunning cascade of crystal clear water descending from above. Hogsback harbors many secrets to discover, including a meditative labyrinth. locals point us to a special place on top of the world. It's an incredible vista of the surrounding region from one of the high peaks in the Amatola mountains.
And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your
Support.
subscriptions. And
We feel the
support.
love, and it's a free way to support us.